Have you ever been in a situation where you see a good or cheap data plan, but you are not eligible for it? You see other people buying the same data bundle, that cheapest data bundle that everybody is talking about, but when it hits your turn, you are not eligible to buy it. Oh, I'm sorry to break it down for you that the reason why you're unable to buy that data plan is because of your tariff plan. Yes, the tariff you are on your network may restrict you from buying some certain kind of data plans that others are enjoying. You are not eligible for it because you are on a wrong tariff plan. That's why I'm making this video to you, for you alone, so that you'll be on the right tariff plan to enjoy all these new and cheap data bundles, because there are different tariff plans and they all have their courses. You may be on default plan, or you may even migrate without you knowing the full benefits of the tariff you're on. Don't worry, that's why I'm here for you today, because in today's video I'm going to be giving you the best MTN tariff plan and their benefits, and you will see the one that suits your needs and the one that will pay you most. So you have to watch this video to know the best tariff plan that you are and that will pay you. And at the end of this video, as usual, I'm going to be giving you ED gems, that means a cheap data code that is hot right now. So you have to watch this video to the end so that you can get the bonus cards. So without no much talk or no more yapping, let's get started. And the first tariff plan that I'll be walking you guys through today is called MTN Pulse. I'm sure most of us know this MTN Pulse. It has been around for a long time, but most of us don't know that the best tariff plan that you can migrate to on your MTN SIM for data working SIM is actually MTN Pulse. So if you are using your MTN for your data SIM and you sub almost all the time on it, the best tariff that you can migrate to now is MTN Pulse. And how can you migrate to MTN Pulse is by dialing *406#. Once you dial *406#, you are going to see the prompt there. Just follow the prompt and join the pulse. And once you join it, you are going to see a lot of offer, both on 312, both on 121. As long as you're MTN user and you are on MTN Pulse, there is no any data offer that you can miss or you won't be eligible for. It's very rare if there's any offer that you won't be eligible for once you're on MTN Pulse. That's the best tariff that I recommend for most of my people and most of my customers that want that data SIM to be mainly for data. Once you say, okay, this is my data SIM, I will highly recommend you to migrate to MTN Pulse, because a lot of offers are going on that tariff and you don't want to miss it. And the next tariff plan is, this one is for my callers. This one is those who know that you call. If you are on data, you can wait and pack away. This one is for callers. The next tariff plan that I'm going to be talking about is what I call Better Gist. Yes, Better Gist. This one is not for all those on data era. This one is for callers. If you are an MTN user and you are looking for tariff that you can be on, that you can talk on your phone without thinking about, oh, my call card is not finished, or no, then come closer. This is definitely for you, because this tariff plan, a lot of bonus on it. Let me tell you, the benefit of being on Better Gist is much more than just be on any default tariff. So this is what you can enjoy if you migrate to Better Gist. It's 30 kobo per second to all networks, to any network you want to call. This was not even maybe MTN to MTN to all network. It's 30 kobo per second. And once you spend 6 minutes, you are getting 3 minutes back in return. Like once you are on a call straight up for 6 minutes, they are going to give you back 3 minutes out of that your 6 minutes in MTN Better Gist. So MTN Better Gist is actually a best tariff that I recommend a lot for my customers that want to migrate to a tariff that will allow them to enjoy the card more and to be able to come on without thinking of, oh, my card is not finished. So here is the code to migrate to Better Gist. Just dial on your MTN SIM *123*2*6#, and with this you are going to be given the prompt to migrate to MTN Better Gist, and from there you can continue to enjoy your call as long as you want. Just continue enjoying the tariff, because trust me, that's the best tariff you can be on if you are on a calling side for your SIM. And the last but not the least tariff plan that I want to tell you guys today is the tariff plan named Extra Value. This Extra Value has been around a lot, and most people even ask me about it, that they thought Extra Value is a tariff plan where you borrow money. No, extra value is the tariff plan that was put together for people that are both on the same wavelength for both data and calling. Some people both they are saying is for calling and data. So this is where this tariff comes by. So extra value tariff plan is a tariff plan that is suitable for both people on the data side and on the calling side. If you are using the same card for your data and for your SIM card, that you need both data and airtime money to run it, then this tariff is for you. I know I've talked about the tariff plan that is best for those who want it for data, and I've talked about the tariff plan that is best for those who want it for calling. But if you are in the middle like me, that you want it both for your data and for your calling, then this tariff plan extra value is the best one that is suitable for you, because in this tariff plan you are going to enjoy both data bonus and airtime bonus. They are going to put you on the same wavelength for it. As you are enjoying both data, then you are going to be enjoying both airtime on it. And this is how to migrate to extra value. Just dial *131 *2# to migrate to extra value. And with that, you are going to enjoy both your data and airtime on this tariff plan. And if you've watched the video to this extent, then I must say a kudos to you and a congrats to you, because I've come to the part where I promised that I'll give you the cheap data code that you can use right now, that is going on and hot right now. I said once you watch this video to the end, you are going to find hidden gems, and this is the hidden gems, because I'm about to give you a hot data deals that you can use on your MTN right now, that is going to get you a good deals. So go to get the best hot deals for data plan right now is *312 *65 *2#. This data plan is so cheap and serve you better. Once you dial *312 *65 *2#, just for 200 naira, MTN is going to give you 1 gig. Trust me, it's so cheap, and it lasts for 7 days. Just dial *312 *65 *2# and you're going to get 1 gig for 200 naira only. And this is the bonus that I promise you that you're going to get once you watch this video to the end. And with that, I've come to an end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope as you watch this video you are going to know the best tariff plan that you should be on right now, whether it's for data or for calling or for both, so that you have access to all the cheap data code that is going on right now to choose your tariff plan. Once you choose your tariff plan, don't forget to know how to choose your right data plan. In my last video, I talked about the best codes that you can use to get your cheap data plans. If you've not watched that video, make sure to watch it right after this one, so that once you're in the right tariff plan, you are going to go use those codes to get the cheapest data. And if you don't know how to choose your right data plan, I also have a video on that. Don't forget to click the link to watch the video on how to choose your right data plan. So once you are on the right tariff plan and you choose the right data plan and you still get the right code, just know that your data life is well layered and you just enjoy using data. So that's it for today, and I've come to an end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.